In this video, I'll show you how to remove a background in Capcut. First, open Capcut and create a new project. Then import the video or image you want to edit and add it to the timeline. Next, select the clip on the timeline to open the editing options. Scroll through the toolbar and tap or click Remove Background. Now, choose Auto Removal if it's available. Capcut will automatically detect your subject and remove the background. Wait a few moments while the process is completed. After that, review the result. If needed, make adjustments using the available editing tools, then add a new background by importing an image or video and placing it on a layer below your main clip. Finally, preview your project to make sure everything looks right. When you're satisfied, click Export, choose your preferred settings, and save the finished video to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to remove a background in Capcut. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.